India is building something the world has never seen before. The fastest growing major economy on earth. A generation ready to lead. But ambition without leadership is just noise. Rises Club was built for this moment. A moment of mid-career professionals rising into the top world-class leaders and executives. Elevate 2026. It's not an event, it's a declaration. Not a career upgrade, it's an identity upgrade. Elevate 2026.
Risers, make some noise for the mentor, the coach, Rakesh Rana!
My identity, my positioning, my impact, my career, everything has been a massive shift.
It has given me an opportunity to rewire myself.
The ELC is definitely a game changer, to be honest. I feel that identity shift is something which I have noticed.
I'm going to take you to the process of reaching to your peak executive state. Just push it away as far as possible.
So that helped me a lot to release one of my biggest conflicts that I had.
This is one change, critical that I say. Execution to the strategy. I became fearless.
Two things I learned. Number one, how to embrace the uncertainty from last year. And the second part was that never fall below your standards.
Thank you for the lessons that you taught me. I have learned my lesson.
And the ELC, it provides a practical insight on the growth which you need to have.
Elevate your identity to three stuff: energy, transformation, and breakthroughs.
ELC has given me framework structures that I can apply in a day-to-day basis.
ELC, I can say it's like one family.
Who am I? That's my style. That's my move.
In this 1 year, I transformed myself from Abhay to Abhay 2.0. First of all, it is like my internal change and made me into a better human being day by day.
Has really changed my mindset a lot.
I'm fearless now.
Riser Club give me clarity and different mindset.
Give us a pathway for the growth mindset.
And they are very open to help each other. There is nothing to hold back. Is mind clarity, career clarity,
where I have to go, what mindset I have to have.
Because recently I get 30% promotion.
Through Risers Club community and the ELC learnings, I was able to bounce back.
If I can do it, you can do it too.